What's up, guys? Lucas here, and today I am super pumped to be talking about TUDCA, which is a very versatile supplement that can promote optimal health. So, for those of you who are brand new to my channel, my name is Lucas. I'm the founder of Ergogenic Health, and my mission is to give you guys cutting edge health information that you'll struggle to find on Google. So if you're brand new, please smash that subscribe button below, like this video, and leave a comment. So let's get stuck into TUDCA. So what I've done is I've actually prepared a presentation which will outline some of the key benefits of TUDCA and hopefully give you a better understanding of how this compound can be used to facilitate better health. So obviously I need to emphasize a clear disclaimer that this video is purely for informational purposes only. Please consult your healthcare professional before making any changes to your lifestyle or routine. All right, so what is TUDCA? So TUDCA is simply a bile acid that is found in trace amounts in the human body. Now, it's actually been used for thousands of years, although not necessarily in supplementational form. But its key benefits are mainly focused on liver health, gallbladder health, but then it's also now been shown to benefit various other organ systems, such as the brain as well. So the good part about TUDCA is that it has a very strong safety profile, and has also been shown in long-term studies to be very efficacious as well. So the first key benefit is that TUDCA is highly liver protective. Now, this is especially relevant to those that are using performance-enhancing drugs, steroids, or have had a history of alcohol use or antibiotic usage or other medications that can damage the liver. TUDCA can help to regenerate the damaged liver cells or damage to those liver cells, the hepatocytes. And as you can see in one study, they were able to significantly reduce the liver enzymes. So that's ALT and AST values. And it's been used in Europe to treat cholelithiasis and cholestatic liver disease as well. So it's also well known to act as a chemical chaperone to enhance the folding and protect against endoplasmic reticulum stress. Here are some of the key functions of the liver, just so that you are aware, and don't forget that the liver plays a huge role in modulating our health. So obviously the liver does play a key role in detoxification. I'll probably dedicate a separate video to how the liver detoxifies and how we can accelerate or support that process. It also plays a role in digestion, blood sugar regulation, immune health, gut health, metabolism / thyroid function, because remember, majority of T4 is converted to T3 in the liver. And so if your liver is suffering, then your thyroid health will most likely be suffering as well. And then finally, it plays a role in hormonal regulation. As I move through this video, guys, if you're looking for a reliable vendor for TUDCA, there's a link to TUDCA in the video description if you're wanting to know where to purchase. So next up, we have TUDCA increases bile flow by up to 500%. So on the left-hand side, you can see an image that looks at how the gallbladder is linked in so closely with the liver to support detoxification. So there are many of us that struggle with producing adequate amounts of bile, and that can be due to a myriad of reasons. But TUDCA is a very, very powerful way to support bile flow and also bile quality. So that's really, really beneficial. The next point is that TUDCA protects the mitochondria. So As you all know, the mitochondria are the powerhouse of our cells, and they produce ATP. And without healthy mitochondria, you're basically setting the scene for basically many metabolic diseases. And what's unique about TUDCA is that it can protect the mitochondria by reducing the release of a molecule known as BAX, which actually prevents early cell death. So that's a unique benefit of TUDCA, and probably the reason why a lot of people report improved energy levels and improved like reduced fatigue and things like that when they start supplementing with TUDCA. Next point is that TUDCA heals the gut. Now, I'm sure many of you already know what leaky gut is. I've spoken about that in my BPC 157 video. But TUDCA increases the levels of tight junction molecules, which play a key role in preserving gut barrier integrity. And it also has been shown to reduce gut inflammation by reducing inflammatory cytokines. And beyond that, TUDCA has also been shown to benefit the microbiome by increasing the growth of these beneficial bacteria, which you'll often find that with a lot of the bile acids and even taurine and artichoke extract and cinnamon, things like that, which is very impressive. So I took a few snapshots at how TUDCA can protect the brain. These studies I'll link to in the video description. This one was titled TUDCA, More Than Just a Neuro-Protective Bile Conjugate. And that looks at how TUDCA can modulate glutamate balance by interacting with glial cells and protecting against stress in the brain, like various types of stresses. And this next study looks at how TUDCA can fight insulin resistance in the liver and the muscle. And they use quite high dosages for this particular study. So you're probably wondering exactly what dose is most beneficial. So one study looked at the different dosages. So 500 milligrams, 1,000 milligrams, and 1,500 milligrams per day across the span of 6 months, which is quite a long time. It's a pretty long study. And what they found was that there was little difference between each dose between 500 and 1,500 milligrams. So taking 500 milligrams per day is probably most sufficient, or sufficient for most people. So some of the reported benefits of TUDCA are improved energy, improved food tolerance, improved fat absorption. That's really critical. Improved digestion, reduced liver enzymes, improved liver function, better skin quality and complexion, reduced dark circles under the eyes. And so you can see many, many benefits from simply supplementing with a bile acid. So, of course, you're probably wondering where to purchase TUDCA. I have a link to TUDCA capsules in the video description. You can find a link to that there, or you can visit my website, ergogenic.health. And if you guys want to learn more about, optimizing health, that H is in the wrong spot. Damn, my my editing skills got cropped there. You can check out all the other awesome links here. So my website, I have some really useful health courses and a free newsletter. My podcast has some really, really big guests on there. And I have a very well-known Instagram, which you can check out as well. So thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.